Marcus Johnson had lived in his family's home for as long as he could remember. The house, a weathered yet proud Victorian, had been in his family for over 150 years, passed down from generation to generation. It was more than just a building. It was a symbol of his heritage, resilience, and identity. So when the Homeowners Association sent him a notice claiming unpaid fees and threatened to place a lien on his property, Marcus knew something was deeply wrong. He had always paid his dues, and the HOA's sudden hostility seemed suspiciously targeted at first. Marcus thought it was a mistake. He attended the HOA meeting with his receipts neatly organized in a folder, ready to clear things up. But when he stood before the board, their dismissive attitudes made his stomach turn. One member smirked, insisting the charges were non-negotiable, while another hinted that maybe a different type of homeowner would better fit the neighborhood's image. Marcus realized this wasn't about money. It was about driving him out of the home his ancestors had built. Refusing to be intimidated, Marcus sought legal counsel. His attorney was outraged when she saw the paperwork. Not only were the HOA's claims baseless, but their attempt to file a lien on his property violated several state housing laws. Together, they gathered evidence, including emails that revealed the HOA board's discriminatory motives. Marcus also reached out to local news stations, determined to shed light on the injustice. Within weeks, his story hit headlines. Reporters stood outside the historic house, cameras rolling as Marcus explained how the HOA was trying to strip him of his generational property. Community members rallied behind him. Neighbors who had quietly endured similar harassment came forward with their own accounts. The HOA board suddenly found themselves facing public outrage, legal scrutiny, and the possibility of personal liability. When the case went to court, the judge didn't hesitate. The lien was declared fraudulent, and the HOA was ordered to pay Marcus damages for the stress and legal costs they had caused. Even worse for them, the state opened an investigation into the HOA's practices, uncovering a troubling pattern of discrimination. Board members resigned under pressure. New leadership was voted in by the community. Standing on his porch after the ruling, Marcus felt an immense wave of relief. His family home was safe, and the very people who had tried to take it from him were now facing consequences. What had started as an attempt to steal his heritage ended in their humiliation. For Marcus, it was more than just a legal victory. It was proof that justice could prevail, even against those who abused their power.